Back in 2014, it was hard to imagine that an ordinary tank range would be transformed into a full-fledged test and certification center for Unibike String Technology's breakthrough transport technology. Thanks to the engineering idea of chief designer Anatoly Unibike, within 8 years something has been created that the biggest modern corporations of the 21st century are not capable of. Early on, he and a small group of supporters began work on transforming the tank range into the EcoTechnoPark, a testing and demonstration center for US technology in Belarus. In 2015, the Sky World Community, an international social venture capital ecosystem specializing in financing green technologies, joined in supporting the project. It has accelerated the smooth funding of the project. Already in 2016, the first tests of the full-fledged transport module, the Unibike, were carried out on a light track in the EcoTechnoPark. Those who did not believe in the existence of innovative transport could personally dispel their doubts by attending a demonstrative eco-festival in Belarus. The same year UST breaks into the big transport race where it presents itself at the world-famous transport trade fair InnoTrans 2016 in Berlin. Over 2,500 companies from 60 countries, 140 world premieres, 300 innovations and around 130 machines on an outdoor area of 220,000 square meters. The UST technology has attracted a lot of interest and has become a focal point for big business, government delegations and tens of thousands of people from all over the world. Since then, interest in the technology has surged. It has been picked up massively by foreign media. The number of delegations visiting the EcoTechnoPark has risen to several dozen a year, and print and online publications covering the technology, to thousands. In 2017, intensive testing of urban and freight tracks began, and certification of the transport structure and its individual elements proceeded smoothly. The company has met the most stringent requirements in quality standards, and then entered the international market with confidence. The construction of the innovative U-Sky Test Center in Sharjah, UAE, began. Despite the severity of the pandemic, with thousands of companies worldwide going bankrupt, closing down and withdrawing from the market, UST Incorporated has once again proved its ability to withstand any global crisis and difficulties, strengthening its position on the international stage. In 2019, the first passenger transport on the light track was demonstrated, and in 2020 active certification in the UAE began. Just a year later, contracts for 4 targeted projects were announced. In 2022, the final stages of freight track testing have started, and there is no doubt that we will soon see a freight vehicle in action, attracting keen interest from potential customers and big business from around the world. Thanks to steadily raised funding and support from partners around the world, the strong human resource potential of UST Incorporated, and a sound management approach, today the company has 86 design offices, 36 buildings and facilities, more than 3,000 units of machines and equipment, as well as 36 hectares of demonstration and certification center and 6 complete transport complexes, including passenger and freight tracks, anchor supports, transfer stations, demonstrating the potential of UST transport and infrastructure complexes. Annual financial reporting, legal clarity, transparency of the company, and its ability to withstand global crises and the targeted nature of the funding it attracts are all clear guarantees of success on the international stage. The 14 stages of the company's development have been passed and a final, 15th stage lies ahead, at the end of which the company will demonstrate high-speed transport and remove all doubt about its competitiveness and demonstrate its financial potential for good. You can still become a co-owner of UST's innovative transport solutions by obtaining portions in the company on favorable terms before it enters the international market. Join a secure, stable and growing 21st century project and secure your financial future with Unibike String Technologies Incorporated.